Now, this is what's known as a cryptocurrency hardware wallet, but I want to talk a little bit about the term wallet. The term gets thrown around in crypto quite a bit, and it's not a very concise definition. What's confusing about the term wallet is that it can be used in many ways when we're dealing with a crypto hardware wallet. So, and I say crypto hardware wallet, but tonight I'm going to try to make a distinction between the hardware device and the wallet. So if we're calling Trezor Safe 3 a hardware wallet, which is it is sold as a crypto hardware wallet, you have to realize that this device is only part of the wallet, right? This is really not the wallet. And a lot of people get the feeling that their cryptocurrency is stored inside this little device. It is not. What is stored inside the device, first and foremost, is the private key. Now, this is the Trezor Suite software. This is the software that you install when you set up your device. Now, you need this to set up the device. In order to configure the device and install apps, you need to use this native application. What I really wanted to point out here is that we have they call them assets, right? There's a Bitcoin asset group. There's an Ethereum asset group. I've got some Solana in here. You can see I have an empty XRP and an empty Cardano asset group. These are all considered wallets, right? They are, you might think of them as sub-wallets within the Trezor Suite. So we can think of Trezor Suite as a wallet, but it's really not a complete wallet without the private key. And then we also can use the term wallet when we're talking about the individual accounts as well. The Rabby Wallet is a Web3 based wallet. You can install the Rabby Wallet as a browser extension or even as a desktop application on your computer. And if you do that, you can create a standalone Rabby Wallet. The standalone Rabby Wallet is just fine, and you can use it. But we want to implement more security by utilizing our hardware device. So I'm going to go ahead and connect my Trezor device and get the PIN entered. And then one other thing I'll mention is that the Rabby Wallet is an EVM compatible wallet, or Ethereum virtual machine. It only works with EVM chains like Ethereum, Polygon, Avalanche, Optimism, Arbitrum, Base Network, Binance Smart Chain. It works great for all of those chains. And that's really cool because you don't have that functionality in the Trezor Suite. But the Trezor Suite can see your Bitcoin and Solana, XRP and Cardano, whereas the Rabby Wallet cannot. Let me get back to here. Right? The Rabby Wallet only works with EVM. So first clue that I'll let you know is that there's going to be a slight difference between the coins you can see in Trezor Suite and the coins you can see in Rabby. But the advantage of using Rabby is that you can connect to third-party DEXs. You can trade on PancakeSwap or Uniswap or 1inch, these decentralized exchanges with the security of your hardware device, protecting your wallet. So let's go over to the web version of Rabby. Let me start a new tab. So so you can see this is my existing Rabby wallet. Now, one thing that I will also point out, if we click here, you can see that I have created several different types of wallets within the main Rabby wallet. So here again, we've got a wallet that they're calling this Rabby Wallet, but within Rabby Wallet, there are lots of other little wallets, right? And each one of them is an independent crypto wallet. So you can see up here that I've got my Ledger Nano X based wallet. I've got Alex's Ledger based wallet. I have this CryptoDad main wallet, which is what we talked about earlier, a hot wallet, which was created within this wallet, right? This actually was imported using the seed phrase of my standalone MetaMask wallet, right? This wallet here was created by importing a private key from a different wallet, right? And then I also have another seed phrase that was imported into this wallet, right? So these wallets down here are hot wallets. These two wallets up here are cold wallets. And so a lot of people get confused. They say, wait a minute, you just connected your Ledger device, which is a hardware device, which should never touch anything, to a hot wallet. Bad you, right? No, how dare you, Rex? Well, that's not what's going on here. By connecting a hardware wallet to Rabby, you are using your device as intended, right? The device is being used to secure the Rabby wallet and make those particular accounts cold wallets, right? So enough talk. Let's connect this guy. So first I need to enter my PIN. All right, so I have got my PIN entered. Let's pull in this secondary camera over here so you guys can see the device a little better. So I want you to be able to see my device and what's going on. I sometimes have some issues trying to demo these because I'm reaching around. It makes it awkward, but we'll muddle through here. So here we go. We've got the Rabby wallet is ready to go. You can see I already have a bunch of other wallets. And another thing I like about the Rabby wallet is that you can whitelist outgoing addresses, which makes it really easy to move crypto back and forth, right? I'll do a demo of that once we get this connected. Here, we want to create a standalone wallet within Rabby that can be secured by this device. So enough talk. Let's hit up new wallet, right? It's up here on the right. We'll hit new wallet. We could add, create new wallets all day long with seed phrases. We can import seed phrases. We can add an account to an existing seed phrase. We can do all kinds of cool stuff with Rabby. We can even import a MetaMask wallet. Awesome stuff. But here we go. We're going to connect a hardware wallet, and they've got all these great options, right? They've got Ledger, Trezor, Grid Plus, Keystone, OneKey, Bitbox, IM Token, Cool Wallet, lots of different wallets. Let's hit Trezor. And now one thing that I have already done is install Trezor Bridge. So if we go here, let's see here. We go to apps, Trezor. Well, I don't see it. I thought that they had a standalone application called Trezor Bridge, but I think now it just runs in the browser. But depending on the version of Windows you're using, and if you're using an old browser, it might ask you to install the Trezor Bridge. But I think now the Trezor Bridge just kind of runs within the browser, right? So I want to connect my Trezor Safe 3. I'll click this. All right. I'm going to click here, don't ask again, so I don't have to see this every time I connect my device. Right here, and it says read the public keys from the Trezor device. We are exporting the public information. That's what this device is designed to do. Allow the public information of the wallet to go out to a software wallet. That's how Trezor Suite works. So we'll go ahead and allow Rabby Wallet. Now, notice here that the Trezor bridge, which is running in my browser, is telling me that I should update my firmware. And I could do it here, but I'm not going to, not tonight. I don't want to get bogged down. Let's go ahead and do this export. Now, here is kind of a tricky thing. If you look over here in my Trezor suite, I am looking at a standard account. This account is accessed by me launching Trezor Suite and connecting my device. This is the standard wallet. And see what happens when a lot of people connect their Trezor device to a third-party Web3 wallet like Rabby or MetaMask, they get confused right here because there's a blinking cursor telling them to enter a passphrase. And so they get confused and think, what, I need to enter a passphrase? And so they enter a passphrase, and that gives them access to an empty configuration because this configuration is the standard one. There is no passphrase associated with this configuration. So we don't want to, in the normal use, use the hidden wallet unless we're aware of what we're doing, right? Unless we have a hidden wallet. So we need to choose standard wallet here. That can be confusing to some people. Right? Plus the device was saying enter the passphrase. Now we get to this little confusing page, which is showing us all of the available Ethereum addresses. Now we can click over here to get some on-chain information, and we can see that this is the Ethereum address over here that we see in Trezor Suite. So if we go here and we do a receive, because the device is connected, it wants me to confirm this. I'll go ahead and do that. But notice this is the exact same address that we're seeing here, right? A036C. It's the exact same address. We are accessing the exact same wallet. We're just doing it within Rabby. Why are we doing it within Rabby? So we have more powerful tools. We can connect to DEXs. We can, send crypto back and forth between all our whitelisted wallets. We can connect to decentralized exchanges like PancakeSwap, and we can access additional chains on top of Ethereum through Rabby that we cannot access in Trezor Suite, right? So we're getting a better, more flexible, more powerful wallet. So let's go ahead and enable this address. We'll click done. And now Rabby Wallet has access to the Trezor Safe 3 Ethereum wallet. Once again, notice you do not see your Bitcoin when you're in Rabby Wallet. Rabby Wallet doesn't work with Bitcoin. It's not compatible with Bitcoin. We do not see our Solana. Rabby Wallet is not compatible with Solana chain. They might add that functionality down the road. All we see is the Ethereum, right? This is the Ethereum that we're seeing access to. Notice too that the Tether tokens are in this Ethereum wallet. So if we go to overview, it doesn't include the dollar value of the Tether, but you see it in Rabby. Like if we go over to Rabby, notice if we go to Rabby, we see a total of 90. Why do we see 90? Because there is some Ethereum in here, that 0.1 Ethereum, and the US Tether that I showed you over here, right? But doesn't appear in the total for some weird reason. You'd think it would, but it doesn't, right? So Rabby is a little, we can manage a little better in Rabby. Dollar-wise, we can see the total dollar value of not only the Ethereum, but also the tokens in the wallet. So we have total access now to the wallet exported from our Trezor Safe 3. This particular wallet is being protected by the Trezor Safe 3. Once again, if we look at all of the wallets that I'm managing in my Rabby Wallet interface, there are multiple wallets. This wallet is still a hot wallet, right? This wallet is not being protected by the Trezor. This private key wallet is not being protected by the Trezor. So just connecting a hardware wallet or hardware device to Rabby or MetaMask does not automatically give hardware protection to the entire wallet interface, right? These are all separate wallets, right? This wallet is being protected by my Trezor, by my Ledger Nano X, not my Trezor. So there's a compartmentalization that we need to be aware of, right? So let's go back over to this wallet. Whoops. Let's just stick with the Trezor wallet. Let's go ahead, and I'm going to turn this camera off for a second because my arm's getting tired holding that thing up. I wanted to transfer some crypto into this wallet. Pretty easy. We just grab the address here, copy it into our clipboard. Let's go over to our Coinbase account. I've got some tokens in my Coinbase account. I want to manage some base in this Trezor Safe 3. So the first thing I'll do is send some Ethereum into the Rabby wallet that's being protected by the Trezor Safe 3 or the Trezor Safe 3 account. So I'm in the send interface. I'll go ahead and send it all, and then I'll choose the network and the recipient. The network I want to do is base. These base tokens, I'll only be able to see with Rabby and not with Trezor Suite. I know, it gets confusing, doesn't it? I'm just going to turn that off. Now the address, we'll paste that in there. That's the address of my Ethereum wallet, or let's just say the EVM address being managed by Rabby, because you'll notice that Rabby is going to automatically detect that this is not regular Ethereum. This is base type Ethereum, right? Because I'm using the base network to make my withdrawal. And we're done. That should show up in Rabby pretty quick. We can just do a quick refresh, and it's Rabby Wallet sees it. Notice there's a new icon here now. Rabby Wallet saw that base tokens came into this wallet. So now there's a separation here. I can click here and see only the base token, which is pretty cool, right? Let's go ahead and put that US dollar coin in there as well. All right, let's withdraw the US dollar coin into that exact same wallet using base network. And we'll paste in the address there. And we'll send that out. And we're on base. There's the address. I need my two-factor. And we're done. And we can go back. Whoops. We can go back to the Rabby wallet over here. Do a quick refresh. And now we've just received that base token. It's really fast, right? Now, let me do something kind of interesting here. I've got my Trezor Safe 3 connected. It's protecting this account. I would like to send this US dollar coin back to Coinbase, just, so you can see what an outgoing transaction looks like. So I'll click here and I'll do a send. And then if I go up here, I have a whole bunch of whitelisted addresses. I can send to my other wallets that I'm managing, but I can also send to these whitelisted addresses, right? There's the Coinbase US dollar coin address. It doesn't change, right? It's my address, so don't send any coins to this address. You'll have your own. But I'll go ahead and send to the Coinbase US dollar. Let's just send, let's do 25 just for kicks. We'll click send, and let's get this camera going. I want you to be able to see what I'm doing here. Let's hit send. All right. The Trezor Safe 3 is managing this wallet. So when I click begin signing process, Trezor Connect comes back up again. Tells me to export again. And then, okay, sign base transaction. I like that. It notices that it's for base. Now it wants me to follow the instructions on the device. So like I said, it's a little bit tricky for me to do this, but I'm going to do it. Continue, right? And then I hold, you can see there's two buttons here. I'll hold both buttons to confirm. There's what I'm doing, sending US dollar coin. Fee is really low. I'll hit both buttons and off it goes. Rabby finishes up what we're doing. We can go to Rabby. We can do a quick refresh and the balance has gone down. Right? We can see, if we go to base, that there's only 25 US dollar coin left in the wallet. We'll go back over here. Now, Coinbase is going to be a little confused. Right? It's like, what's he doing? He's sending coins in and out, in and out. That's fine. Where'd this go? Right. Now we got the 25 US dollar coin back in Coinbase. So let's do something a little different. Let's go ahead and we'll send that back, and this time, actually Coinbase doesn't work with the Binance Smart Chain, and I don't want to use any of the other networks because I don't have any Ethereum in those networks. You need to have some of Ethereum in each network for fees, right? I'll just send it back to base. We'll use this one. Off it goes. Notice that once we have access to the Rabby wallet with we should see it back in there again. We can actually do swaps from within the Rabby wallet using this account. Like we can go over to base and we can use our US dollar coin. Right? We'll select a token. Let's find a cool base token to deal with. Let's see what's hot, what's not. Base meme coins are hot on CoinGecko. Brett's doing pretty good today. So let's go ahead and buy a little Brett. We click on it. We get the contract address. Yeah, grab the contract address. Go back to Rabby. We got to start over. There we go. We'll paste in that contract address. There's the token we're after. Let's do 25. Let's do, we'll get quotes. Now we're going to need to sign a few things. So let's get that taken care of. We'll approve US dollar coin in Rabby, and that should, we've never interacted with this. We can safely ignore that. I'm aware. Begin signing. Trezor Connect pops up again. Right? It wants me to, it just tells me to confirm what I'm doing on my device, which is signing a transaction, and then continue and confirm again. All right, let's try this one more time. It wants me to follow the instructions on my device. All right, we'll confirm. We'll continue. We'll confirm. Yeah, see, now we have the Brett. And we can, up here, we can separate the chains, right? So we managed to buy some base meme coin, all within our Trezor Safe 3. So the Trezor Safe 3 is protecting this wallet, right? But only this wallet within Rabby, right? As I mentioned, I don't want to harp on this too much, but notice I'm managing a lot of different wallets in Rabby, right? But we're just talking about this one particular wallet that is protected by the Trezor Safe 3. This is a cold wallet. because it is the private key for this wallet is being managed by the Trezor Safe 3. And this is really cool because I cannot do this in Trezor Suite because Trezor Suite does not support the base network. Trezor Suite does not support the Optimism network or the Polygon network or all of the other networks that I can use my device for when I'm in Rabby. One thing I'll also mention is that there is a desktop version of Rabby as well that you can download and install, and we should be able to connect our Trezor to that and see the exact same wallet. So let's try. Trezor Bridge comes up within this. Don't ask me again. Anonymous data collection, nah. There it is. Allow, export, use the standard wallet, right? Remember? And then we can click here for the on-chain information. It sees the chains over there, so we'll enable that in Rabby. It's the same exact wallet that we're managing over here, right? We're just in a different interface, right? I've decided to use the desktop, which is fine if you want to kind of keep things separate. Maybe you're a little leery of using your browser, that kind of stuff. So, but once again, we can manage using our Trezor Safe 3 hardware device. We can use Rabby Wallet to manage our assets, trade assets, transfer assets, do all kinds of fun, powerful stuff on chains that are not supported in Trezor Suite, right? But we can't access our Bitcoin. So don't freak out. I get this a lot. How come? Oh, where's my Bitcoin? I set up the Rabby wallet. I connected my Trezor device, but I don't see my Bitcoin. Where is it, right? Well, it's over here in the Trezor Suite, right? And then the opposite. I get that one a lot too. I'm like, hey, I bought some base token. I bought some Brett token in Rabby Wallet. But then when I go over to Trezor Suite, I don't see my Brett token. It must not be there because I don't see it in Trezor Suite. No, you don't see it in Trezor Suite because Trezor Suite does not support the base network. That's why we're using Rabby. So you need to kind of wrap your head around that you're using a different wallet to support, more functionality and more chains. But the important thing is that we're using a secure hardware device to manage the private key. So that's kind of what I wanted to clue you guys in tonight. I hope you enjoyed my short little presentation on how to use your Trezor device with the Trezor Suite and with the Rabby Wallet desktop and with the Rabby Wallet browser extension, right? It's a very powerful tool for managing cryptocurrency, all with security of your Trezor device.